Breaking news. JOANN'S Fabric is closing 500 stores nationwide, and designers are in a frenzy, grabbing essential items before they've gone for good. So today, I'm diving into the 11 must-have items you need to snag before it's too late. Check it out, y'all. The atmosphere here is intense, so the shelves are emptying fast as designers and crafters like us race to stock up. So let's explore the top items flying off the shelf. I'm going to be giving you 11, so let's go ahead and get into it. First up, premium fabric. From silks to durable canvases, these materials are essential for any designer's collection. So just be sure you are stocking up on high quality fabrics. That would be your silks, that would be your velvets, that would be your brocades. Make sure you stock up on wedding essentials as well. So just to name a few there, make sure you stock up on those high quality fabrics. Next up, let's talk about the sewing machines and equipment. Now, let's say that reliable tools are the backbones of any projects. That would be your sewing machine and your serger, right? And some cover stitch machines as well. Now, most of us as crafters and designers are ensuring that we have backups before supplies dwindles. So make sure you go over and get you a sewing machine. The sewing machines are ranging for the JOANN one is $99.99. And for brother, $359.99, and you could probably get some for $259 as well. So make sure you stock up on your next sewing machine. Next up, exclusive patterns. So exclusive patterns are also in high demand. Unique designs can set a creators apart, and with JOANN'S Closing, there are patterns that might be a collector's item. Now, we noticed that patterns are only 30% off right now. So I'm going to say leave these damn patterns on the shelf right now until you see 50 to 75% off on the patterns. Normally, that's going to be anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks before the final closing date. I will definitely say make sure you go in and check every single week. All right. But that's one of the items that many people is picking up. You'll be surprised. Item number 4, quality thread and notions. Don't forget about the threads and the notion. High quality threads, buttons, zippers, embellishment, all the small details that complete a project flawlessly. So make sure you pick some up. They are normally right now 40% off. When you go in there, it may change. So make sure you pick some up now, not like later, but now. All right. Item number 5, let's talk about the craft tools and kits. So the craft tools and kits are disappearing quickly for sure. That would be like your rotary cutters, your rotary cutter mats, specialized kits. These items are essential for various projects. I use a rotary cutter all the time as well as electric scissors. So make sure this is your time. If you have not been using a rotary cutter and a mat, pick one up right now. It is a game changer. You're welcome. All right, let's talk about item number 6. Item number 6, on over here to the art supply area. So art supplies like your canvases, paint, sketchbooks are also hot commodities right now. Artists are seizing the opportunity to stock up before these staples vanish very, very fast. Now, I was going to Disney over the weekend, and there was actually an artist on the side of the road selling some artwork, and I did pick one up. So let's just say, did she get her items from JOANN? I don't know. But you may want to get these art supplies if you are someone who sketch quite often. Get you a sketchbook, get you some paint, get you some pencils, and you're good to go. All right. Art supplies is number 6. Number 7, let's talk about the home decor fabrics that I see that are flying off the shelf. So the home decor fabrics are in high demand right now. Designers are grabbing upholstery materials and curtain fabrics to complete their interior projects. Now, you wouldn't think that interior designers are going to JOANN's? Yes, they are. Why? Because they could get somebody else to sew it up for them for the low. So if they purchase the fabric for $2 or $3 a yard, right? and they put it in someone's home, interior designers are making anywhere from $600 to $700 just to put those damn curtains that they spent $25 for in your home. You're welcome. Home Decor Fabrics. All right. Item number 8. Let's get into it. Let's talk about these seasonal items. Now, I showed you guys a couple of, for the last couple of weeks about seasonal items. I haven't been like very excited about the seasonal items only because we know after Christmas you should have just knocked it to 90% off and called it a day. But at 70% off, like no one really wants to buy right now at 60 to 70% off on seasonal items. Seasonal items, especially holiday themed fabrics and decors, are being scooped up right now. Just last week, there were a lot of people in here literally buying Christmas fabrics. And I didn't think why, because it did not say that it was like 70% off, but really it was like 60% off last week. All right. Now, just make sure that you get those type of items. They're perfect for future projects and unlikely to return once it's sold out. Well, it's not going to be returning at all if it's sold out because we won't have JOANN'S. All right. Let's talk about number 10. I'm going to say like this is one of the things that you will want to pick up. Right now, there's a lot going on in the educational books area and magazines. No one's really thinking about this right now, but this is a must-have and a game changer for sure. So one of the things that I'm going to say that who says that you cannot get enough resources in the sense of sewing books, craft books, different things that you can get and pick up while the sales are going on. Right now it's 20% off on educational books and magazines, so make sure you pick them up while they're on sale. And the last item I'm going to give you, customizable blanks. I know you're wondering like, Rochelle, what the hell is customizable blanks? All right, so customizable blanks is anything that's blank, just like the word hints, blank. So customizable blanks would be like your t-shirts, your tote bags, your apron. Those are all being snatched up for personalized projects as well. So make sure you snatch those up. These are great if you are someone that makes t-shirts and use like the SVG files. This would be great for you. If you are someone who creates aprons and tote bags and like to put various names and customize them to put different names and different pictures on them, this would be good for you to flip it and make some money on as well. All right. So once again, that is a customizable blank. All right. So as you can see, the rush is real. If you are a designer like myself or a crafter or sewist or whatever else you want to call yourself, now is the time to visit your local JOANN'S fabric store and secure these essentials before they're all gone forever. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment below if you have any comments, questions, or concern, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates on crafting news and essential tips that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this journey. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. What items are you grabbing before JOANN Fabrics close its dang doors for good? This will be the end of an era. Well, that's it for this video. Until next time, keep sewing.